Hello everyone, welcome to Sarah's sketchbook. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a pattern fabric to your garment. So first of all, I just opened a canvas which is 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, and now I'm going to add my pictures in. So insert a photo. I have a few beautiful skirts, and I'm going to add this one here. When you're happy, then just press on new layer and add another one. So just in case, keep this layer locked for now. You just pull it to left hand side and then lock and unlock in here. Then it's ready. So what I need to do now, I need to get a pencil and draw on top of it again. So this pencil is good enough, and I pick a color. So I use my eyedropper to pick the same color as the drawing. And also I need to go back to the reference layer. I can always, okay, let's look. I unlock it first, rename it to skirt. And second layer is my sketch. Okay, so now I have my brush. What I need to do is go to the previous layer and change the opacity. I still need to see it, but I need to see my own drawing as well. So you can always zoom in and out just to see better. Okay, my pencil is white. I need it to be a little bit darker. So for now, I'm only drawing the outline of the skirt, but just be careful to close all the lines. Okay, so if you have shaking hands, sometimes you need to go on top of it a few times. So now the outline is done, and what I need to do is do the inside lines as well. I do it in same layer because later on we need to work on it. Also here. If you want to keep the reference, so you need to be more neat, but if you want to get rid of that later, then you can just draw it as good as you can, but not the exact lines. You can even change it a little bit at this stage. Okay, but the only thing is to make sure that all the lines are connected and everything is closed. Okay, I'm zooming to double check if everything's closed. And now I add a new layer in between. And okay, so let's stay in the same layer of a sketch and pick a color. Let's get this orange maybe, yeah. Drag and drop it, not here, sorry, to the shape that you want to fill. So okay, remember to not hold on this color because it works as eyedrop tool and it goes to the previous color that you worked with. Just drag and drop it very simply. So basically just pull the color, that's it. So for the inside, I go to a darker one and I fill these shapes as well. Okay, lovely. So now it is time to go to the pattern that I'm going to use. Actually, I have made a brush with the pattern. If you haven't watched the previous videos, you can go and watch it anytime. So I have explained how to make brushes yourself. So I'm picking the brush that I've made earlier, and then I pick a darker color, maybe a dark gray. Then I create a new layer and I just go on top of everywhere that I want to use it. Okay, let's be more neat. Okay, so when you're happy with the color and everything, then you can go to the layer and then create clipping mask. So okay, let's go back. Can you see these? They all came out of the line. You can always get the rubber and rub them off, or you can go to the layer and create clipping mask. So in this case, you can see it's clean all outside, but now you need to clean these parts manually. Then get a brush that you are more comfortable with and go to rubber increase the size. Just get rid of everything that you don't want to see. Make it more beautiful and clean. Okay, so now let's add another layer. Now let's stay on the same one. I think there is tiny bit here. Actually, I need to clean up. Then you can always add some shading. So let's pick United Brush 2 and pick the same color as this plaid fabric. Just it's better to pick the darker one. Just make it a little bit darker and check. Oh, why am I on this pattern? Okay, always check first if it's good enough, if it's big enough, or I think it's better now. And then everywhere you feel is underneath and it needs to be a little bit darker, then do not hesitate and make it as quick as you can. Okay, so technically we are done with the fabric itself and the drawing part. Then you can check your layers and everything. You can also get rid of this sketch and have your own one, or you can keep it on and have it like this. It's up to you actually. Alright guys, I really hope this video did help you about how to use pattern in your garments. And if you have any suggestion for future video, do not hesitate and let me know in the comment. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks for watching this video and see you in next video. Bye.